Did you know that if you eat a lot of bananas, it will loosen? Are you scared? Dear ones, today I want to tell you about the properties of the delicious fruit, banana. The first property of bananas is that, eating bananas relaxes the muscles and completely relieves muscle cramps and pains. So if you have muscle cramps, always have a banana in your pocket. The second property of banana is that it is a sedative, which means that wherever you have pain, it wants to be on your head, heart, waist or anywhere else, have a banana summary with you, which is a gelatin tablet for itself. And the last property, is the regulation of blood pressure. Bananas regulate heart rate and blood pressure due to their high minerals and vitamin B6. What else do you want? It is a mobile pharmacy for itself. Now, your loved ones, say in the comment, which do you think has more properties, banana or milk? And goodbye until the next video.